stumble at the chateau. Later I hear John's body got carried out. Ice cream was a cold word told to me by a cold man. These nice hotels